Although the government has declared the year of roads 2 times in the past, road challenges still persist in many communities. One such community is the Teiman Abokobi community here in Accra. Residents acknowledge the fact that some level of construction has been started for some years now, but the expectations have not been met. They say the road infrastructure is making life unbearable for them. Citi News' Ajubi Wiafe Akenten did this report, which is voiced for you by Hawa Idrisu.
In 2018, significant road renovations commenced in the Dom Kwabenya constituency in the Ga East municipality of the Greater Accra region, championed by the Member of Parliament for the area, Sarah Ajua-Safo. The central government-backed project, with a budget exceeding 30 million cedis, was slated for completion within 12 months. While progress has been noticeable on roads like Hachu Atomic, Taifa Burkina through to Norway, Dome, Kwabenya, among others, other roads in the same vicinity have hit a roadblock in their development. A glaring example is the Teiman Abokobi Road, where residents along the stretch grapple with the road's poor and dusty conditions, adversely impacting livelihoods and businesses. Some traders and residents share their plight with Citi News.
Kwan we nti nkrofo bebre tutu omo containers mu se kwan no bibi papa bi ankoso nti ma sesa me business na dey aba nsuo ne drinks eno so saa ade ne bon futuro ka atwem kra omo nyina nta ade man ti ye bre pa
me ton pampers eni niama ba se ne kwan na ye no ama hanum nyina ye basa nti ama ya tu store nim futuro kwan na ekoye hwene me kita kwala nso ba code nkwa achie saa nti ama ye bre pa wa ha aha de ye bre papa futuro ni de ye nka wakasa mo hwe wenu nyina nti ama ye mbie store ni bio eno ani se ye hwe se ombeba be ya amaye omuka se ombe ye nso na se ya ase ombe ye niam bi ba ama se ponde futuro na no ye dimpon chen first nti ye twen ye hwe omanim
nti ye ka be isa na wabo woni ma akofa ya sisi a obi anso ntumi
kan de be say 20,000 na even cry we mpon ye yiyi bi ye na even we near asay woman because of dust no be say 5,000 to 6,000
no mo feel say mfuturo ni nti no ekọ bread no mu nti omo di a embo omo nti bibisa no ema market no so entimi nkoso ye omo ba na omo atwem first no de ba ye na ekwan ne de na ye kakra nti na market ne de mitimi ye bread no bebre eton but sesi a ne de because of ekwan na asay ne nti no ama market no enkoso wo kwa inside wo be hu say eho nyina mfuturo no wo ho no
say affect cans na mudi ye baking any brodoni
affect no pa e ban sa e finu steakim because ya the margarine and say oil e the film and asan the bread no atutu mu bio nti say e ban sa na mfuturo no ekoma ekekam nti with the bread no tuma asan ko bread no back.
We have been struggling as inhabitants of this community. Look at the taxis. This is where we have the trotro station. We have the motorbike stations there. And the dust alone is just unbearable. The dust alone. The way we have been struggling and battling with the dust. You just dress up, going to work or wherever you find yourself. The next moment you realize that, you tend to like somebody who has not even taken your bath or something.
Drivers too bear the brunt with frequent repairs needed for their vehicles' shock absorbers due to the road deteriorated condition.
Road is, you can see it. There's so many dust. Maybe 2 days they'll come and pour water on the road that they are coming to construct the road, but we are not seeing anything better. And the dust is killing us. Increase things. So now our shock absorbers and things, if you are going to buy, you can't afford it. You can't even buy it, which is affecting us.
In the midst of these challenges, Caesar Saki, maintenance engineer at the Urban Road Unit of the Ga East Municipal Assembly, shed light on the reasons for delay in completing the Abokobi Teiman Road.
The Abokobi Teiman Roads was awarded to a contractor called Abusam. In 2020, he was on site. He has done some drainage works I think about 90% of the drainage works is completed. What is left is just about 10% of the drainage works that he's supposed to do. 2022, he left sites with the idea that, in fact, he has not been paid for some time now, and all this money has been exhausted. So he's waiting for funds. So when he's paid, he will definitely come back to sites. And since then, the assembly has taken upon himself. The assembly has been doing some routine maintenance work on that particular stretch of the road.
He also reassured the community of plans to address the road issues by the end of the year.
Head office of Department of Urban Roads, I think in about last month, they took a tour to the sites with the regional office, the regional office, and then the urban roads in the assembly here went around. Then we identify the drains that is left to be done, and they are doing some designs on it. I'm sure a contractor will definitely come to the sites and then come and start the Abokobi Teiman Road.